friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer 23.8-inch gaming LCD display. So friend, Acer introduced the 23.8-inch Full HD gaming liquid crystal display, the KG241Y Sbmiipx, and friend, it is an Acer Sigma line product aimed at gadget gamers with a refresh rate of 165Hz and response time of 1 millisecond. And friend, the display synchronization technology supports AMD FreeSync Premium and has features like gaming mode, which allow you to choose settings from 3 different game genres, and the black boost, which increases the strength of black to improve visibility. And friend, the liquid crystal panel is BA Technique, and the color gamut is 72% of NTSC, and the high dynamic range is HDR10. The brightness is 250 cadmium per meter square. The under contrast ratio is 3000 Jam1, and the horizontal or vertical viewing angle is 178 degrees. The display color is approximately 16.7 million colors. And friend, the HDMI 2.0x2 DisplayPort 1.2x1 headphone port and built-in 2 stereo speaker comprises the interface. And friend, the tilt adjustment range is -5 to 15 degrees. Base mounter offers a pitch of 100 to 100 mm. And friend, the outward dimensions are 540.3 mm wide, 189 mm deep, 414 mm tall, and it weighs around 3.2 kg. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at $190 on Amazon. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.